Maar my stoel was in my pad waar die stoel
Alsekho emhlabeni iphoyisa lobandlululo uJoao Rodrigues nobekufanele ngabe ubhekane necala lokubulala.
He was recently hospitalized for complications, and he was also in intensive care for some time. But he was recovering at home, and we're not exactly sure what happened. But he passed away almost immediately.
URodrigues wathwesa icala ukubulala uAhmed Timol nowayeyishoshovu esabesilwa nobandlululo owashona mhla zingama-27 kuMfumfu wango-1971 ejele aduma kakhulu iJohn Vorster Square, nalapho kwakuvamise ukwenza khona izigameko zokushona kwabantu. Emva konyaka kwenzeka lesigameko, uphenyo olwenziwa lwathola ukuthi uTimol waziphonsa phansi esitezi salekamu samaphoyisa. Umndeni wakhe awunelisekanga ngokwatholwa uphenyo.
The most significant thing for us was to overturn the 1972 inquest. The 72 inquest was a complete farce.
Isinqumo sango-2017 sathi uTimol wabulawa siguqula esango-1972 esathi wazibulala. URodrigues waphika ukuthi unesandla ekushoneni kukaTimol. Kwakunobufakazi bobuqanda ikhanda bokuthi uRodrigues uyalazi iqiniso.
And this is why we wanted the criminal trial to commence, so that, he could provide his explanation once again, knowing very well that if he was found guilty, he would face imprisonment and jail time.
Emva kokuthweswa icala lokubulala uTimol wazama ukugwema icala. Isicelo sakhe saphinde sachithwa inkantolo yokudluliswa kwamacala ekuqaleni kwalonyaka. Umndeni kaTimol uthi amacala obandlululo kufanele ashushiswe ngendlela yentando yabantu. Iqiniso ngokwenza ngento asahlobo yango-1971 kungenzeka kushabalale njengoba uRodrigues esekwilamathonga.